Welcome to your daily visualization session for achieving day trading success. Find a comfortable place, sit back, and let's begin. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just beginning your journey, this session is crafted to empower you to harness the superpower of visualization for achieving peak performance. Start by setting aside 10 minutes of dedicated time. This is your moment to focus solely on your goals and nurture a positive mindset. Now let's begin. Find a quiet space where you can sit or stand comfortably without distractions. This peaceful environment will help you concentrate fully on your visualization. Take a moment to settle in. Sit in a relaxed position with good posture. Take a deep breath in and out. Allow yourself to relax and release any tension in your body. Let's take 3 deep breaths together. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. One more time, inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Feel your body relaxing more and more with each breath. Now close your eyes, let go of any remaining tension. Feel the calmness wash over you as you prepare to visualize your goals. Allow your mind to become still and focused. Picture yourself in your ideal trading environment. See your computer screen displaying your trading platform. Visualize yourself analyzing the market with confidence. Picture yourself making successful trades. See the screen displaying your trades turning profitable. Imagine achieving consistent profits and reaching your financial milestones. Visualize yourself handling challenges with ease and grace. See yourself calmly assessing situations and making informed decisions. Take a moment to see yourself celebrating a successful trade. Feel the joy and satisfaction that comes with it. See the positive impact it has on your life. Imagine your financial goals being achieved one step at a time. Now engage all your senses to make this visualization more vivid and immersive. Hear the sound of the trading platform notifying you of a profitable trade. Feel the sensation of holding a stack of cash in your hands. Imagine the texture and weight of the money. Smell the freshness of the morning air as you start your trading day. Visualize the vibrant colors on your screen and the clarity of the charts. The more vivid the image, the more powerful the visualization. Now repeat these positive affirmations to yourself. Feel the power of these words resonate within you. I am a successful day trader. I make informed decisions and execute them confidently. I am worthy of financial abundance. One more time, I'm a successful day trader. I make informed decisions and execute them confidently. I am worthy of financial abundance. Continue to repeat these affirmations, allowing them to sink deeply into your subconscious mind. Visualize the market momentarily going against your position. See the charts fluctuating, yet your inner world remains calm and centered. You understand this absolute truth that whether a single trade will be a winner or a loser is unknown and unknowable, but you know it doesn't matter. Over a series of trades, the probabilities are on your side. Your edge in the market is certain. This knowledge empowers you to view each trade with clear, objective eyes. You've done all the thinking before placing the trade. Your stop loss is in place to manage your risk. Now you sit back and relax, letting the trade unfold. You understand that your edge in the market is a great asset, but that your greatest asset is your peerless ability to remain calm in the face of market fluctuation. In the face of your precise execution of trades, your unwavering adherence to each rule, and your prudent risk management, you grasp the simple yet profound truth: consistent profitability is inevitable. This deep understanding brings you unmatched confidence and calmness, making you unshakable in the face of market fluctuations. You are composed, you're in control, and you let your edge work for you. Remember, practice daily. Consistent visualization will reinforce your beliefs, strengthen your focus, and improve your overall mindset. Make this a part of your daily routine. The more you practice, the more natural and effective it will become. After each trading session, take a few minutes to reflect on your performance. Think about how your visualization practice influenced your results. What went well? What could be improved? Use this feedback to refine your techniques and adjust your goals as needed. This reflection will help you grow and improve continually. Thank you for joining this visualization session. By dedicating time to visualize your success, you are setting a strong foundation for achieving your day trading goals. Remember, the power to succeed is within you. Your disciplined approach will lead you to continuous success. Whenever you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your toes and fingers. Take a deep breath. And slowly open your eyes. Feel refreshed, focused, and ready to tackle your trading day with confidence. Happy trading, champ.